Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Trust Your Wings. Today we'll be discussing some of the yummy and tempting foods and the result of consuming those foods. Have you ever thought what is the cause of diabetes, blood pressure, heart condition, obesity? In just 3 words, it's your food. Diabetes is never caused by eating a high carbohydrate diet or sugar. The cause of diabetes is the diet that builds the amount of fats in the blood. Here I am talking about the typical meat-based and animal-based diet. The expert concluded that each 50 gram of portion of processed meat eaten daily increases the risk of colorectal cancer by 18%. The World Health Organization has also classified processed meat such as bacon and sausages as carcinogenic, directly involved in causing cancer in humans. Processed meat is classified as a class 1 carcinogen by World Health Organization. Current research shows that there are certain chemicals in processed meat, both added and naturally occurring, that cause them to be carcinogenic. Over 17 million people die every year from cardiovascular disease. It is the leading cause of death around the world. When we speak of heart disease, the role of alcohol and sugar is very small, but smoking plays a big role. The problem with animal-based diet is its contribution to heart disease is quite huge. Smaller fishes are eaten by bigger fishes, and the pesticides and herbicides bioaccumulates in the fish flesh. These fishes have estrogenic and cancer-promoting properties. Fishes are less toxic as compared to red meat, but something being less toxic does not make it healthy. It just makes it less toxic. We always knew that pollution was bad for our health, but we never thought about the environment pollutants affecting the food. After a lot of research, the majority of cancer was due to genes, but only 5 to 10% of cancer is actually genetic. People had lifestyles that they had inherited. They have been exposed to certain way of eating and living that they have carried on to their adulthood, passed on to their children. That is why they go on to develop the same diseases that their parents and grandparents had. There are few genetic factors, but we can always prevent them by environmental, dietary and lifestyle changes. It mainly depends on what we put inside our body. I'm not gonna eat that stuff anymore. It's the only thing that I can do myself personally to make a difference. It will give you a great sense of well-being and happiness when you know that you are not destroying your health every time you sit down and eat. We are not gonna live forever, but while we are alive, we can live well. Seeing unhealthy patterns in your family and deciding that those patterns end with you and will not be passed down to your future generations is an extremely brave and powerful decision. Thanks for watching my video. Hope you'll start taking those baby steps towards a healthy diet and lifestyle. Please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. You can always comment and give your feedbacks and suggestions. Keep smiling, take care and trust your wings. As I always say, if you don't have, create it.